Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class Ekalaiva. For class 11th, we are going to see the subject Computer Science and Computer Application State Board Syllabus. Last class, we have discussed about certain input devices such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, fingerprinter and trackball. Today we are going to see the rest of the input devices. From retinal scanner, light pen, optical reader, barcode, voice input system, digital camera, touch screen and last gear. Okay. So first is retinal scanner. What is retinal scanner? So it uses biometric technique. Okay, it is also used biometric technique and uses unique patterns to scan. Okay, what the unique pattern uses means person's retinal blood vessels. It is going to use the person retinal blood vessels, the eye, the pupa. Okay, so using that it is going to scan. Next we are going to see light pen. So this is a picture of light pen. We have more different types of light pens we have. See, for the projector I am using stylus. We call it this as stylus. This is also one type of pointing device. It looks like a pen. And it is also connected to a monitor. So what is the principle? What it is going to do? See, the tip of light pen contains a light sensitive element. It is going to detect, okay, if we are pointing, this point is going to detect by the computer. See here, detects the light from the screen and it's enabling the computer to identify the location of the pen where you kept on screen. Next, light pens have the advantage. What is the advantage? We can easily draw directly on the screen. But we have an disadvantage, call it as it is hard to use. And also it does not provide an accurate result. Okay, this is a main disadvantage of light pen. And next, these are the examples of light pen where we are using on tablet, mobile phones, okay, on PCs, etc. We will use this light pen to draw some pictures. And for example, in real life, we will do signatures. We will do signatures using this light pen. Okay. Next, we are going to see about optical character reader. Simply we see OCR. Okay. So it is a device. It is going to detect characters, okay, which is printed on your book or which is printed on your paper. So it is going to scan. So it is a device which detects characters, printers or written on a paper with OCR devices. Next, a user can scan a page. Okay, these are the examples. Scan a page from a book. The computer will recognize the characters in the page as letters, even punctuation marks, and it going to store. Next, the scanned document can be edited using an application called word processor. Okay. These are the applications of OCR. way we are using the OCR device. As I said, to scan the page from book. Okay, this is the usage of OCR device, and you can scan the code number which is present in checks. In bank we have checkbook, right? In checks we have the code. You can also scan this code using the device, OCR device. Okay, and also have automatic number plate. So today we will get the automatic number plate for vehicles, no? So that purpose also we will use this OCR device. Okay, we are going to see about barcode. Barcode, QR code reader. Okay, we'll see first barcode now. This is the picture of barcode. Okay, so this device, it uses a unique pattern, okay, to scan. What is a unique pattern? It is a printed in lines of different thickness. It have different thickness of lines, dark shade, and also have the thin. Next, the barcode reader scans the information on the barcodes, transferred to the computer for further processing. What is going to do? It is going to get that information, and after that it is going to transfer. Next, the system gives fast and error-free entry. Okay, it is going to give error-free entry of information into the computer. So these are some examples of barcode. We have colors also. Okay, and next, if we buy any product in the market, okay, we will have this barcode of each and every product. So here they will categorized how they are going to recognize certain product. Here we have left guard. We say left guard bars. Here right guard bars. Here number system character will be here. Here check digit. We call it as check digit. Here this is a manufacturer number. Here manufacturer number. And here we have central bars. Okay. To identify which is manufacturer number and which is item number, which is a product number. So through this we can detect each and every product. So this is called barcode. Next, we are going to see QR code. We say as quick response code. Okay. So what is the principle? The QR code is have 2-dimension barcode. We have 2D, 3D, no? So this QR code have only 2D, which can be read by a camera, and it is going to process to interpret the image. So likewise, you can see in your book itself. Okay. Next, some of the examples of QR code. We have color QR code also. In GPay, Paytm, we can use to transfer the money. Okay. So instead of typing account number, IFSC code, etc., we don't need to do those things for the transaction. We can simply use this QR code to transfer our money. Next, we have on different locations. And next, what we are going to see, voice input system. Voice input system. So this is the image of voice input system. Simply we say as a microphone, no? Yes. So microphone serves a voice input device. What is going to do? It's going to capture the voice data and send it to the computer. Using the microphone along with speech recognition software can offer a completely new approach to input information to the computer. Next, so these are the some examples. If we speak, okay, the voice is going to recognize on your mobile. So you will send the voice messages to your class teachers, right? Right. And you know better, this is Alexa, Google Assistant. Okay. So these are the examples for voice input system. Next we are going to see digital camera. You know very well. So this is a picture of digital camera. What it is going to do? It is also going to capture the image and it is going to transmit to the computer memory. Okay. It uses a main thing called CCD. What is CCD? Charge coupled device. Okay. What it is going to do? It is an electronic chip. When light falls on the chip through the lens, it is going to convert the light rays into digital format. Rays into digital format. So this is the principle of digital camera. Working principle. Okay. Next we are going to see touch screen. You people are very familiar with the touch screen. You are using in your mobiles, tablets. Okay. So what is a touch screen? It is also going to display any information on particular device. That allows the user to interact with your computer by using the finger, by using our finger. It can be quite useful as an alternative to a mouse. So some people will thought to learn or how to handle the mouse. It is very difficult for some people. So for them, they have introduced touch screen. Using your finger, you can do any task. So keyboard for navigating a graphical user interfaces. So here they will activate with the mouse as well as the keyboard. Okay. For the alternative purpose, they have introduced touch screen. They have introduced touch screen. So touch screens, where we are using the touch screens. So we can use the touch screen, laptop, desktop computers have monitor, different types of monitors, smartphones, tablets, okay, even with the cash registers, and we can say as a information kiosks. Okay, what is kiosks? Here it is a small place. We can get all the information. So next, some touch screens uses a grid of infrared beam to sense the presence of our finger. Instead of utilizing touch sensitive input. Okay. So these are the examples of touch screen. Here on your desktop computer or PC, tablet, we can use. So here for presentation I am using you, right? This is the best example of touch screen. Next, last input device, we call it as a keyer. So keyer It is also an input device. It is used for mainly signaling purpose. Okay, and it is used by our hands only. It is different from our normal keyboard. The way of pressing one or more switches. We can have more keys on a keyer. Modern keyers have a large number of switches, but not many as full-size keyboard. It is not a full-size keyboard. The keyer is very smaller. It's a handheld devices. How our fingers like, no? We can have this much size. Okay. So typically, this number is between how many keys will press enter? 4 and 10. 4 to 10. Next, a keyer is different from a normal keyboard which has no board. Which has no board. But the keys are arranged in a cluster. Cluster means it has no order. So this is a picture of our keyer. Okay, this is what. Okay, thank you. We will discuss about output devices in next class, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest update.
SRMJV is not just a school, it's a one-time experience.
VM Nagar, Tiruvallur,